Hey everyone! Welcome back! In today's video, we're diving into the Invoice Fly app, a super handy tool for freelancers. Small business owners and Shopify users who want to create professional invoices quickly and manage payments with ease. So, what exactly is Invoice Fly? It's a mobile and web-based invoicing app that helps you create, send, and track invoices or estimates right from your phone or computer. It's perfect if you run a small business, sell online, or just need a simple way to manage client billing without complicated accounting software. Let's go over how it works and what makes it great. First, once you download and open the Invoice Fly app, you'll be asked to sign up or log in. You can register using your email or Google account. It only takes a minute. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, which gives you a quick overview of your invoices, clients, and payment status. Creating an invoice is super easy. Just tap on Create Invoice, enter your client's name, email, and billing details, then add your products or services. You can customize the item descriptions, quantity, price, and even add tax or discounts if needed. Invoice Fly automatically calculates the totals for you. Next, you can personalize your invoice by adding your business logo, color scheme, and signature, which gives it that professional touch. Once everything looks good, you can send it directly to your client by email or share a PDF link right from the app. One of the best features of Invoice Fly is its payment tracking system. You can easily see which invoices are paid, pending, or overdue, and even send automatic reminders to clients who haven't paid yet. This saves you from awkward follow-ups and helps you get paid faster. The app also allows you to create estimates and quotes, which you can later convert into invoices once approved by your client. That's a big time saver for anyone managing multiple projects or customers. And if you're running an online store or using Invoice Fly integrates nicely, helping you sync your sales data and automatically generate invoices for your orders. You can even manage multiple currencies and clients, making it ideal for freelancers or small business owners who work internationally. To sum it up, Invoice Fly is simple, fast, and efficient. It's designed for people who don't want to waste time learning complex accounting tools but still want a clean, professional invoicing solution. So if you're looking for an easy way to handle billing, manage clients, and get paid faster, give Invoice Fly a try. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more app breakdowns and small business tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.